Hi guys, so for today, we're on our way in our lola's house. And kasi na-invite kami to eat kasi fiesta nila doon in their barangay. So, we should go. We're here na guys sa house nila and nung time na yan is dinner time na kasi medyo late na rin kami dating sa kanilang house. Ayan yung mga niluto nila. We have pork, chicken, yung menudo, and then chicken adobo, and we have gulay, and of course rice. After eating, pumunta ako sa sala para makipaglaro sa mga kids. Ayan, so isa lang dyan yung pinsan ko, which is the girl na may hawak ng dinosaur, and the rest is kapitbahay na nila. This is what I have been waiting for, yung dessert nila guys, kasi yung pinipare nila for dessert is yung biscoff with cream o yung feeling na parang Graham style siya. Yon. And first time kong itatry yung ganyang dessert at hindi ko talaga pinalagpas na hindi ko siya tikman. So, tinikman ko siya. So far, masarap naman siya guys. Medyo matamis lang yung pagkagawa pero minsan lang namang makatikim ng ganyang dessert. So, okay lang naman for me. Mag-drink na lang ng water after. Ayan. So good. So, 10 out of 10 siya talaga guys sa akin. Kasi nga first time trying. And then, nung pagkakita ko talaga na biscoff yung ginawa ng ingredient, ay, napawaw ako guys. Kasi favorite ko din yung biscoff. Palagi kong pinipili yung biscoff sa mga toppings, ganun. That's all guys. See you on my next one. Bye!